Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change control settings in CarX Drift Racing 2 game. If you are new to the game or want to adjust your driving setup for smoother drifts, then this guide is for you. First of all, launch the CarX Drift Racing 2 game on your device, and from the main home page, tap on the gear button at the top of the screen. Once you end up in this settings menu, click on the controls option from the top. Inside controls, you will see different control methods. Select your control method option. You can choose options such as tilt control, touch buttons, or steering wheel. Select the one that feels best for you, and then below the control type option, you will see options such as sensitivity. Adjust the sensitivity options from the menu to match your driving style. Go ahead and make other adjustments such as sensitivity throttle, brakes, handbrakes, clutch, etc. and set it according to your preference. Turn the button on and off so that you can select the options matching your driving style, and once you are done, get back to the home page. And that's how you can successfully change the controls in CarX Drift Racing 2. Customizing your controls will make drifting smoother and more enjoyable, especially if you practice with the setup that suits you best. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like, share, or subscribe for more gaming how-to videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next drift.